What's good with y'all niggas? We back at come out another one. I'm saying, man, hey, we got another Juice World session. This one's creeping, bruh. We ain't even gonna bullshit or waste no time getting in this shit before we do. Make sure y'all niggas tap into all socials, links in the description, sub up, like the video, you feel me? Grab y'all blunts, grab y'all cards. Let's see what Juice World talking about on that bit. Oh God.
DJ 510.
Let's go.
The fuck?
DJ 510.
Let's go.
Who the fuck says that shit, bruh? Is that Mario? Or is that Yoshi? Or is that Luigi? It's one of them three niggas, bruh.
DJ 510.
Let's go.
Let's go. Face Hold on.
It's 4 in the morning, the liquor's pouring. I mix it with the perky, my life not boring. I'm whipping up a brick, make it hot like porridge. Codeine, my medicine, all the shit I'm pouring. My ex-girl bad, but my new hoe gorgeous. She'll never let me in her heart, I torment. Sipping heartbreak, girl, the shit like poison. Sipping heartbreak till my fucking heart breaks. On the road doing pills, but my heart still aches. I just wanna cop a feel, but her soul I'll take. I was rolling off the pills, so it felt okay. I was sipping quality in the valley. I still need my activist, that shit it make me happy. I just bought my bitch a Gucci watch, a Gucci on time. If I buy a matching one, that should be Gucci too. I'm rolling my
my
shit.
God, nigga, this shit. Hold on, bruh. Bring that bitch back. I like how you got in that flow right there. Hold on.
I just wanna cop a feel, but her soul I'll take. I was rolling off the pills, so it felt okay. I was sipping quality in the valley. I still need my activist, that shit it make me happy. I just bought my bitch a Gucci watch, a Gucci on time. If I buy a matching one, that should be Gucci too. I'm rolling my Biscotti shit, that's from Cali. It's 4 in the morning, the liquor's pouring. I mix it with the perky, my life not boring. I'm whipping up a brick, make it hot like porridge. Codeine, my medicine, all the shit I'm pouring. My ex-girl back.
Nigga said I'm whipping up a brick, make it hot like porridge, nigga. What?
Like porridge, liquor's pouring. I mix it with the perky, my life not boring. I'm whipping up a brick, make it hot like porridge. Codeine, my medicine, all the shit I'm pouring. My ex-girl bad, but my new hoe gorgeous. She'll never let me in her heart, I torment. Sipping heartbreak, girl, the shit like poison. Sipping heartbreak till my fucking heart breaks. On the road doing pills, but my heart still aches. I just wanna cop a feel, but her soul I'll take. I was rolling off the pills.
Nigga, chill. Do y'all hear this, bro? Just, bro, I ain't gonna lie. I like the vocal shifts on this shit, bro. Like the whole flow switches on this bitch is crazy. I fuck with this shit.
I just wanna cop a feel, but her soul I'll take. I was rolling off the pills, so it felt okay. I made it unwritten, I faded unwritten. If I put Gucci on my wrist, then say Gucci 2 times. Boy, that pussy so damn good, I hit the coochie 2 times.
Nigga said, oh no, bro, this shit fire. This probably the best one we've done in a little bit. I ain't go. Actually, no, I'm lying. Numb the Pain, or yeah, I think it's Numb the Pain. That shit was better, but this shit up there with that, damn near.
Gucci on my wrist, then say Gucci 2 times. Boy, that pussy so damn good, I hit the coochie 2 times. I'm on the line. She gon' snort lines, do that in her spare time. I could never spare time. I've been bout mine, caught him at the stop sign. I just wanna roll it that can fucking stop time. Worried about yours, stop worrying about mine. Shoot it up, cock it back, that's a Glock 9. Boot it up, off a flat in the meantime. Rolling off a beam, but it's still codeine time. Everything is slow, boy, I love the lean time. Pop another phone, probably it'll be fine. I was sipping.
Niggas, everything slow, but I love the lean time. I'm not gonna lie, I fuck with this bitch, bro. This shit, bro. This shit just like, this is the definition of like Case in point, a fire ass smoke song, bro. Cause either a fire ass smoke song is gonna be mellow all the way through, and you just feel like you floating, or the flow switches are gonna be. There's gonna be so many flow switches that it almost feels like you listening to a different song, or the nigga got features on the song. You see what I'm saying? Like that shit fire.
Pop another four, probably end up be fine. I was sipping quality in the valley, but I still need activists, cause that shit make me rally. Hey, caught a nigga lacking in the alley. Had that nigga run it up, zoot it up. In the meantime, it's 4 in the morning, the liquor is pouring. I mix it with the perky, my life not boring. I'm whipping up a brick, make it hot like porridge. Codeine, my medicine, all the shit I'm pouring. Yeah, my ex-girl bad, but my new hoe gorgeous. She'll never let me in her heart, I torment. Sipping heartbreak, girl, the shit like poison. Sipping heartbreak till my fucking heart breaks. On the road doing pills, but my heart still aches. I just wanna cop a feel, but her soul I'll take. I was rolling off the pills, so it felt okay.
Nigga, this one of the best hooks I've heard from this nigga in a while, bro. That shit hard, nigga. Like, nigga, that fuck, when his voice changes, I just want to cop a feel, bro. That shit hard, bro. Like, y'all niggas not listening, bro.
Feel, but her soul I'll take. I was rolling off the pills, so it felt okay. She told me she would never ever doubt me. Told her tell me something I don't know about me. They got my Ruger talk, heat them up from the baseline.
I fuck with this bitch, bro. This shit was hard, bro. I fuck with that bitch. Hey, man, y'all let me know how y'all feeling about this shit in the comments, bro. We got other shit coming today. I'm gonna get up out of here. I fuck with y'all niggas, your boy. Peace.